my cute friends. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter 5, Understanding Elementary Shapes. All the shapes we see around us are formed using curves or lines. We can see corners, edges, planes, open curves and closed curves in our surroundings. We organize them into line segment, angle, triangle, polygons and circles. We find that they have different sizes and measures. Let us now try to develop tools to compare their sizes. The first topic is measuring line segments. We have drawn and seen so many line segments. The distance between the end points of a line segment is the length of the line segment. To compare any two line segments, the relation between their lengths is found. Line segments can be compared by observation, by tracing, by measuring their lengths using a ruler and a divider. The length of a line segment can be measured accurately using a ruler and a divider. The second topic is angles right and straight. You have heard of directions in geography. We know that China is to the north of India, Sri Lanka is to the south. We also know that sun rises in the east and sets in the west. There are four main directions. They are north, south, east, west. Turn clockwise to east, we say you have turned through a right angle. The turn from north to east is by a right angle. The turn from north to south is by two right angle. It is called a straight angle. Turning by two straight angles or four right angles in the same direction makes a full turn. This one complete turn is called one revolution. The angle for one revolution is a complete angle. We can see such revolution on clock faces. When the hand of clock moves from one position to another, it turns through an angle. Now we are going to see the third topic, angles, acute, obtuse and reflex. First we see acute angle. An angle that measures less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Next, obtuse angle. An angle that measures more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. Then reflex angle. An angle that measures more than 180 degree is called a reflex angle. The fourth topic is measuring angles. So in order to be more precise in comparison of angles, we need to measure the angles. We can do it with a protractor. We call our measure degree measure. One complete revolution is divided into 360 equal parts. Each part is a degree. We write 360 degree to say 360 degrees. Friends, have you seen protractor? See the image of protractor here. You can find a ready-made protractor in your instrument box. The curved edge is divided into 180 equal parts. Each part is equal to a degree. The markings start from 0 on the right side and ends with 180 degree on the left side and vice versa. Let's see the fifth topic, perpendicular lines. When two lines intersect and the angle between them is a right angle, then the lines are said to be perpendicular. If a line AB is perpendicular to CD, we write AB perpendicular to CD. See the figure. Let AB be a line segment. Mark as M. Let MN be a line perpendicular to AB through M. Does MN divide AB into two equal parts? MN bisects AB is also perpendicular to AB. So we say MN is the perpendicular bisector of AB. The sixth topic is classification of triangles. The triangles have been divided into categories and given special names. Let us see what they are. The first type, naming triangles based on sides. On that section, the sub-triangle is scalene triangle. A triangle having all three unequal sides is called a scalene triangle. The second type is here isosceles triangle. A triangle having two equal sides is called isosceles triangle. And the third type is Equilateral triangle. A triangle having three equal sides is called an equilateral triangle. The naming type B, naming triangles based on angles. On that topic, the subtopic number 1, acute angle triangle. See the figure. If each angle is less than 90 degree, then the triangle is called an acute angle triangle. Then right angle triangle. See the figure. If any one angle is a right angle, then the triangle is called a right angled triangle. The third type is obtuse angled triangle. See the picture. If any one angle is greater than 90 degree, then the triangle is called an obtuse angled triangle. Next we are going to see the seventh topic, quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral, if you remember, is a polygon which has four sides. Let's see some important quadrilaterals. Number 1, rectangle. A rectangle is a type of parallelogram that has opposite sides equal in length and parallel to each other. Its diagonal are equal in length. A rectangle has 4 right angles. Second one, square. A square is a type of parallelogram in which all the 4 sides are equal in length. Its diagonal are equal in length. A square has 4 right angles. Third one, a parallelogram. A parallelogram is a 4-sided figure in which the opposite sides are parallel to each other and area of length. In a parallelogram, the diagonals need not to be equal in length. The fourth type is a rhombus. In a rhombus, all the sides are equal in length and the opposite sides are parallel to each other. Its diagonal are not equal in length. Also, the opposite angles are equal to each other. The fifth type, trapezium. A trapezium has one pair of sides parallel to each other. The other 2 sides are not parallel to each other. Next we are going to see the 8th topic, polygons. A polygon is a closed figure with 3 or more than 3 sides. Polygons are named based on their sides. We mainly classify polygons according to the number of their sides. Look the given table. Now we are going to see the 9th topic, 3-dimensional shapes. Objects with a fixed shape, size and occupying fixed space are called solids. Solid figures have 3 dimensions: length, breadth, height. Example, a ball, a brick, an ice cream cone and a can. Let's see some important terminologies in related to that shapes. First we are going to see face. See the figure. The flat surface of a solid shape is called a face. Then edge. See the given illustration. Any 2 adjacent faces of a solid shape meet on a line segment is called an edge. Next one, vertex. A vertex of a solid shape is a point where 3 or more edges meet. Then cuboid. A solid bounded by 6 rectangular faces is called a cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Next, cube. A solid bounded by 6 square faces is called a cube. Next one, prism. A solid whose bases are parallel to plane polygons and the lateral faces are rectangle is called a prism. The last shape, pyramid. A pyramid is a solid whose base is plain rectilinear figure whose lateral faces are triangles with a common vertex is called the vertex of the pyramid. We see around us many 3-dimensional shapes. Cubes, cuboids, spheres, cylinders, cones, prisms and pyramids are some of them. List out them. It will be very interesting. Hello, how was this chapter? It was very interesting, right? Do many exercise in free time. All of you will get high mark from this chapter because this is an easy chapter. So study well. We will see you again. Goodbye.